Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other best Faucet website and you can earn every 5 minutes. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos and watch this video until end. Okay, let's get started. If you have Faucet Pay account, you can claim your Faucet. If you don't have, link in description. Okay, this is the Litecoin Faucet website. Okay, the Faucet website name is bitfoundation and this is Litecoin, and you can earn a Litecoin from this website. Okay, just copy your Faucet Pay link and come here, paste in here. Okay, go to your deposit, copy your link. This is your Litecoin link and come here, paste, and just click solve capture. This I'm human, solve this capture and then solve the and capture. Okay, wait some second to load the link, and this is airplane. Just click the airplane and click check. Okay, and now solve this and capture. -2 plus 2 minus 3 minus 3 plus, sorry. Okay, this one is minus. Okay, plus minus, and this one is the last one, I think. Why it's okay, sorry, I just fill the wrong capture. This is the right, and just please wait. This capture is a little bit hard. Just click get reward, and this website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay account. Okay, go to your user dashboard and you can see this website pay me instantly in my Faucet Pay account. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now.